Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today is going to be a little paint with me session, so you can just sit back, drink a cup of tea, or you can paint with me if you like. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, it has been a while since I painted for the last time. I still paint sometimes, but not as much as I would like to. So my New Year's resolution was to paint more often and also make YouTube videos again, if you haven't noticed. So I found these cute little picture frames and I decided that they were perfect to make little paintings for. So for my first painting, I'm painting a teacup. I couldn't really decide which one of these two pictures I would take as a reference. They're both taken by me. Eventually, I went with the first one. And I decided to go in and paint all the backgrounds for my paintings first. For the second painting, I wanted to recreate this picture of me on roller skates that I took from my photography. For the last painting, I wanted to recreate the picture on the left, but it turned out a little differently. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, it has been a while for me, so please don't look at my techniques if they're accurate or not. I'm just trying to get into painting again, and making a video about it really motivates me. Now for the third painting, I did have a reference photo that a friend of mine took of me with lots of greenery that I absolutely loved, but it was just too small to paint. So I'm painting some flowers and saving that other reference photo for maybe another painting. And here is the final result. My expectations at the beginning of this video were pretty low, so these turned out better than I expected, and I'm super excited to hang them up in my room once they're fully dry. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. Let me know if you want to see more painting content from me. And for now, I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.